Hey guys, I wanted to show you this brand new cell phone booster antenna that I just got from Amazboost. It comes with a manual with a step-by-step guide. It is so easy to install, and it actually can be installed multiple ways depending on where the signal is coming from the cell phone providers and your house. So it gives you this great map and a website that you can go to help you figure out where the best place to put it in the house and where the best place to direct the antenna. So the antenna itself, it's not very big or intrusive on the house. So this is it. It's really lightweight, and it was very, very easy to put together and figure out. So this is the bracket that you're going to attach to the house itself. So this bracket the cord goes through this hole, and then it provides screws, and you attach the bracket on here. And then the bracket has multiple holes and options depending on how you need to point your antenna to boost your cell signal. So it comes with all the extra brackets you might need to attach it to the roof or the side of your house. This is the router to boost your cell signal. So what you do here is it comes with a plug. Just plug it in the back. Then I've got an extension cord down here. Hold on just a second. And then I'm just gonna plug it right into this extension cord that I have over here. Just plug it into your wall outlet. Okay, now that that's plugged in, I'm just gonna get the antenna and the brackets out of the way. And so this is the router. So then it has the antenna, the inside antenna that you're gonna point to best create the best signal. And then there's also options on the back of the antenna that instruct you how to change your signal and your bandwidth depending on whatever works best for your cell phone and the house. So the cable cord that it comes with is extremely long. So you'll have plenty of wiggle room. And all you have to do is take the one end and twist it onto the back of the router, and then take the other ends and plug it in the antenna. That's it. That's how easy it is. So once you get it all plugged in and set up, you can start moving the antenna around to try and get yourself your best signal possible. And there is a step-by-step guide into how to do that, and all the other precautions that you would need are right here in the user's manual. So I hope you guys love your Amazboost as much as we do, and I hope it boosts your signal to its fullest potential. Enjoy.